when you will give the transition to anyone and thinking that you are drowned in the divinity, then the transition, only transition will be noted, but the thing will be there who will make them divinity. Double, you can give the double way. And I learned when I was giving you transition, then at once I thought that the whole system, in the Rishi, Muni, whole system were the spiritual system. But in the time of Babuji Maharaj, in the time of the great divine personality of Babuji Maharaj, so I can, if I will try to make the system divinized, then I begin. And I begin to feel that all is happening slowly and surely. Then I feel very happy because in this way Babuji Maharaj is teaching that but one thing, if receptor is progressing and there is receptor is in the heart of receptor, there is only love of Babuji Maharaj, then they can. So when I was doing that, I learned this thing and this very, very high thing. And so I pray to Babuji Maharaj, I am not so learned, I am not so, and you are giving me, so I will try to serve the Abhyasi like this. But at once, if he is not capable, you cannot. So I think that the first I should want, I should make the heart a spiritual heart. And the Abhyasi will remember Babuji Maharaj that he is mine, but remember, not remember, but feel. When his mouth says Babuji Maharaj is mine, then heart should be feel. He is mine. As when you are telling the name of your son, then in the heart there is a connection. So in this way, when we tell Babuji Maharaj, then heart should be feel the connection is there. So remember Babuji Maharaj, very love, in the very love of heart. So because he has all the things, all the world is his, but he wants only love because our love is in the world. Love is spreading, our love is spreading in the world. So, he, as one day Babuji said, Babuji Maharaj, what can I give you? Babuji said, one thing, if you can do, give me. What I can give you? He said, I want only love. Because only the thing is in my house. But love for the divinity, for the divine, there is none. So in this way, we love our Babuji Maharaj as he is divine. He is more than God. My heart accepts this. He is more than God. Because God, God is, we can realize God. But we cannot realize Babuji Maharaj, who was he. But when as you will go nearer and nearer to Babuji Maharaj, then heart will, you can say, oh, this is, then you will begin to go. So who is he? I don't know. No one knows. Only Lalaji knows that who is he. So love as you can do, love for only Babuji Maharaj and all the things which we are doing for the world. And if you will see that we love for the family members, when you go to the office, you forget. You forget that because this is not love, but this is a nearness. When you are near to them, then you will feel, and when you will go there. So, but Babuji Maharaj, if you are going to office, if you are going to, at once after some time, at once the remembrance comes. Because he is divine, he is not a family member. So, he is try to love Babuji Maharaj as mine. Babuji Maharaj is mine. Mine means till now, I was telling that I am Kasturi. That I was connected by the mother. But after I felt that if someone asks Kasturi, the body will see towards him. But the name will never touch the heart. So when I can get, you all can get. Because in this heart, when Kasturi was living, then that heart was. Now the heart is offering to Babuji Maharaj. Now Babuji Maharaj is, when Babuji Maharaj is living, then if someone asks you will see, you will do all the work. But body, when you will see it, so I never feel the tiredness. I never feel tired because if you will feel that I am doing this work, then you will feel the tiredness. Very, I cannot say the Babat Babuji Maharaj is given. So try to love and love to Babuji Maharaj so that he can give, he can bless us with all his grace.
Samskaras very strong.
Eh?
My samskaras are very strong. They are not they are reversing me
Eh?
for the progress.
Ah,
My samskaras very strong that they are not giving opportunity to progress me well in spirituality or even worldly things.
Nahi, yes, because I can hear hardly.
My samskaras so strong that
Forget sanskar. When you remember Babuji Maharaj, forget the sanskar. Babuji Maharaj, even is divine. When you are meeting with the divine Babuji Maharaj, so when divine is there, remembrance of divine is there, forget the sanskar. Because when you are remembering this, where sanskar will stay, can be stay. they will never speak. So forget the sanskar, remember the Babuji. There is no sanskar. And one day will come, if you will do, if you remember like this. If you remember, I am doing this, that you cannot get that condition, so that you are free from the sanskar. So forget the sanskar, remember the Babuji Maharaj, who will remove the sanskar. And divine never meets us with the sanskar, because there is no sanskar to meet from divine. Sanskar, chance, and that time, by the time we meet, this is our very, very, very saubhagya. So, forget I am doing this. I should be turned into you. Whenever I am telling I am doing this, before I, there is power. Only by practice you begin to feel this. Very easy sadhana system. Because we are getting the power. And remember when I was doing the Murti Puja, then when I was doing puja, after doing the housework and going to school, all was forgotten. But now, if you are doing something, remembrance, sometimes it seems that heart at once gives the remembrance of Babuji Maharaj. So remember Babuji Maharaj by heart. He is mine. Because nothing, no one is yours except divine. Divine never left you. And worldly thing will be left you. One day will come, left you. But divine never. Because he loves so much.
I am not interested in doing worldly things.
Eh?
I am not interested doing in worldly things. My job, even staying in house.
This thing comes in the mind, touches in the mind, so that you can prepare yourself to do. But when mind is remembering word, if you will remember Babuji Maharaj, try to remember Babuji Maharaj every time, then you will see mind will remember the word and heart will remember the word.
So two separate. It will be automatically done.
Automatically you will do the worldly work more good than you are doing.
Earlier doing.
They do the work very nicely, so that someone cannot tell that, oh, he is in the spirituality. People cannot do the worldly work. Because Babuji Maharaj gave us the this thing. Only remembrance should be connected. Your heart should be connected. And mind is always doing the worldly work. So both the things are separate. But we also connect them. हमारा मन चाहता है हम ये करें, हमारा मन चाहता और your heart will never want anything except remembrance. But mind, when you will connect the mind from the heart, then both will tell only one thing. So try it. Try it. And Babuji Maharaj give us, give his grace, so we can feel like this.
During cleaning also,
Cleaning.
we will get pranahuti.
शुद्धिकरण के समय में प्राणाहुति होगा क्या, ऐसा पूछ रही है।
नहीं ये पूछ रहे हैं कि क्लीनिंग के टाइम क्या हम मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं?
Cleaning is not necessary. For the first time, Babuji Maharaj said that I am giving that one hour meditation, evening cleaning, and in night the prayer. Because if I will tell that please remember, then they will say, what is this? What is this? Only remember. So I am giving the thing. But slowly and slowly, we begin to think that training is not necessary because then I remember Babuji Maharaj. Training is there. So but don't think that, oh, I cannot sit for the cleaning, I cannot sit at cleaning. If your mind is free, is not thinking about the cleaning process, then you can sit for the meditation, but because then your heart will clean, then the meditation will be clear. So, but if your heart demands the meditation, sit in the meditation. There is no bondage of cleaning, there is no bondage.
I want to go fast in bhajana. I want to go fast in bhajana.
Progress.
Yeah, and reach the goal. But all the encumbrances, family encumbrances are there. I am unable to meditate sometimes. What I should do then?
Lord, never think that I am unable to meditate. Because always in the mind something will be there. If you change, mind should be connected with the Babuji Maharaj. Then you will never feel this life. Because we are only connected mind, heart, everything from the worldly things, about the worldly things. Heart, all the things we are thinking about worldly. But heart, what heart, our heart is divine, because if in the complete, you have complete thing for the world, then I saw so rich persons, they are not peace, they have no peace. They want something more, something more, something more. Because heart will be satisfied by the divine remembrance. So when you will give the remembrance to heart, then you will feel that mind is working so much. But if you will see towards the heart, there is a peace, only peace. Please do with the love of Babuji Maharaj. Then see, he was so exciting there was so exciting that he was going here and there when I was sitting in the meditation. So at once he said, he, his Guru Bhai, Rameshwar Prasad, he said, he will stop the meditation. She will die. Then at once Babaji Maharaj was saying, I asked Babaji Maharaj why he was telling this. Then he said that I gave the mastery of the heart region and also mind region. So at once power is given. So the body cannot bear that power. So he very loudly, he stopped this meditation. Then he said that the body, he is not seeing the body, but he is giving and giving. Then he said, the heart began to sing. If power is more power is given, heart begins to sing. So from then, Babaji Maharaj said that I will search that when I am giving and someone is giving the power so much, so it cannot give the harm. So he said, he was talking to his brother, he said that whenever I work, the heart, physical heart, I forget the physical heart and I am working in the spiritual heart who is connected from the divine. And so, if more and more power you will give, the physical heart cannot suffer.
No.
This is a
Right.
and he said, if you will not stop, then I forget this, that to keep the physical heart separate.
No.
When you call me, then I stop this thing. Then I thought it may be possible. So now it is not possible. You can do really. Always he was thinking about the Abhyasi, how he can give them in the living in the on the earth. And it seems that he is keeping us in the dead world. Who can do it? And we are not feeling, but sometimes feel that at once that I came from there. Then I thought that Babaji Maharaj was telling very right thing, because sometimes at once it seems that I came from here. Then the touching of the I can feel.
Oh.
So I think that Babaji Maharaj is teaching, giving the teaching. Now I begin to do. Nowadays, something then I will do. So much work for that. But as Babuji said, if some fear will be there, you can't do the work. Fear should not come in the middle. So till now I had some fear, and now I am free. And because of if fear is there, it means some I-ness is there. So fear is there. The feeling of I-ness is there. So fear will be there because you can't do. If I-ness will be there, then you can't. Because he is doing, I am not. But from that time, it seems that Babu Maharaj has taken the I. So, from then I am free that I can do as I like.